In order to add a soundboard and get sounds within your Discord server, what you want to do is go into your Discord server, click on the server name in the upper left-hand corner, and then go to Server Settings. Once under Server Settings here on the sidebar, you want to click on right here where it says Soundboard under the Expression section. You then want to upload your sound effects. So in order to do that, you click Upload Sound, and then you go to Browse, and you find the sound that you want to add, like this one here. Double click or click Open to upload that sound. And in order to change the duration of the sound, because it does need to be a shorter, quicker sound, you can take these vertical lines here and drag them to the left or right to increase or decrease the duration of the sound effect. And then once you do that, go ahead and give the sound effect a name like so. Go ahead and give it a related emoji if you want. And then go ahead and decide how you want the volume to be. So whether you want it to be lower or higher, you can adjust that with this scale here. And then go ahead and click Upload. Go ahead and upload as many sound effects as you want, like I've done here. And then as you can see, I have 5 of my 8 slots available. I've only uploaded 3 sound effects. If I want, I could edit them by clicking the pencil icon, or I can click the red X to delete or remove that specific sound effect. Now, in order to use them in my server, what I want to do is X out of my settings, like so. And you want to go into a voice channel. So we'll go into this voice channel here. And then as you can see, we can open the soundboard right here where it says voice connected. Go ahead and go to the open soundboard like so. And then as you can see, here are all of the sounds that we just added. We have our pop sounds, our swoosh sounds, and then you just press play like so to start playing them in your server, just like that. And that's how you add a soundboard into your Discord server. If you have any questions, I'll have some frequently asked questions in the pinned comment down below. If this helped, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.